Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.
Hello friends! Today we will learn how to make clays of Team Brazil. Just look at how soft and fun they are to play with when you squish them. They're awesome! If you want to learn how to make them, watch closely and write down everything we're going to need. Are you ready? We will need a small spoon, a dinner spoon, boric acid, baking soda, dye, liquid glue, a large bowl, and a small bowl. Ready? Let's go! Using the small spoon, let's put in some baking soda. All right, now we have to add some boric acid. Add 2 dinner spoons worth. And now we have to mix them up. Mix well until you don't have any more bubbles. Our mix is ready. Now we have to make our clay. Inside the large container, we put the liquid glue. The glue is going to give us the size of our clay. If you want a big clay, put a lot of glue in it. Now let's put the yellow food coloring. If you want a strong yellow, you need to put a lot of drops, like I'm doing. Now we can mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. Look how it's getting very yellow, just like the flag of Brazil. Now with a small spoon, we're going to add some of our mixture. Let's put in 2 spoonfuls. Mix it a lot until it starts to stick together. Look at what our clay is looking like. I'm going to keep mixing it with my hand to make it firmer. Look, it doesn't stick to my fingers anymore. Mix, mix, mix. Look how good our clay is. I think it's perfect to play with. I also made clay with the green dye to make the colors of Brazil's flag. See? It's a lot of fun. So what do you think? If you liked our Brazil colored clay, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you later.